This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the image and duplicating the background so you never lose the original. Use Select Subject or the Quick Selection tool to grab the main subject. This is fast and usually gets you most of the way there. Once done, enter Select and Mask to see the selection against different backgrounds and to prepare for refinement, because early accuracy greatly reduces cleanup later and speeds the final result. You now refine edges to make the cutout believable. Increase radius slightly and use smooth and feather sparingly. They tidy jagged edges without blurring details. Paint with the refine edge brush over hair or fur to recover fine strands. This tells Photoshop to treat those areas as partially transparent. Then set output to layer mask so the removal stays editable. This lets you paint back or refine areas later, which is why masks are. You finish by putting a solid color layer behind the mask subject to inspect halos and color fringing. Make small mask adjustments with a soft brush. Paint black to hide, white to reveal, and nudge Shift Edge or use Select Modify to offset thin outlines. If you see color fringe, use Decontaminate Colors in Select and Mask or sample nearby pixels and paint onto a new layer clipped to the subject. If nothing works, revert to your duplicated layer and try a different selection brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.